Alright, let's now jump onto the code. I have already created class update title.js, which is class component, and it is updating title of the document. Let's understand this code. What I have done, I have created one class component which has props title. On my render method, I have one button called update button title, which calls set state on click of the button. I have created two lifecycle methods. One is component did mount and another one is component did update. On component did mount, what I am doing, I am setting title of the page by the original value of the title state. Once button has been clicked and set state has been called for title, value of the title will get updated. Component did update will execute and it will update title of the page. Let's see this. On this page you guys can see title of my page is all title. When I click on this button update document title, it will update title of my page. Let's see. And now it has updated title of my page. We can see this in console of the page. When I click update document title, it called component did update multiple times. As you guys can see number here. If I keep clicking on this button, state will be updated and component did update method will be called with the new value of the title. But every time I am updating title with the updated title. So it has been called 31 times when I was clicking on this button. Let's now see how we can replace these lifecycle methods with useEffect. I'm going to create one file called hook update title.js. I'm going to create function component with the snippet RFC. Let's import useState and useEffect from React so that we can use them. I'm defining useState title with set title with the initial value all title hook. On my render method, I'm going to add one button which is exactly same from the class component. Only difference is update document title by hook. Let's now use useEffect hook, which is going to be an arrow function and which will return by arrow function. I'm updating document.title with the title which is state, and input of the useEffect hook is title because every update of title will call this method useEffect with the initial value all title hook. Let's now use this hook inside our app.js. I'm going to add hook update title in application with the existing title and import it from component. On the app, I have two buttons now. When I was clicking on update document title, it was updating from component did mount as we can see on our browser console. If I reload it, it says all title. If I click on update document title by hook, it will update title hook by the update. Let's now put some console log. I have put one console log so that we can recognize on our console this title has been updated by hook. If I click on update document title by hook, the title has been updated by hook. We can see on our console and it has been updated by the hook. That's all for this video. In the next video, we will be discussing about how to use effect hook with cleanup and without cleanup side effects. Thank you guys.